Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 21 or 20, whoops, of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. I'm still in San Francisco, still a little bit, under the influence of whatever. So let's get started. We'll see how it goes. Today's problem is integer to Roman. So yeah, let's see. So it seems pretty straightforward, really, right? Just a set of rules. It goes only up to 4,000, so we don't even have to worry about 5,000 or whatever that comes afterwards. Yeah. So we have this thing. I'm gonna do this thing a little funky, though. I probably did a similar way last time, so we'll see. So then now we have basically just put something like this maybe, and then we can do something like I don't know if maybe the first line is not right there. Something like that, and then you could do something like um, mm, so something like for line and conversation line dot split. Yeah, like XY maybe like this. I just put it out just to make sure I'm kind of on the right track, and it's always easy to kind of mess up parsing. So huh. Oh. Huh. There's a thing where like hmm, maybe something like this. Maybe that's a little bit better. Let's see really quickly. This is why we debug things. Yeah. Yeah, that looks. Oh, it looks okay, but then I actually was correct. I just needed to get rid of this one. So yeah, so now we have X and Y, and then then we don't have to. In theory, we don't have to do anything more or to the mapping, but of course, yeah, this is a very awkward one actually, isn't it? Um, yeah, just let's do a mapping, and then you have you go to X, int X, and that allows us to kind of start, but yeah, okay. So that basically allows us to do the reverse mapping, so we can print it out real quick for debugging purposes as well. This is really not a conceptually oh wait, I messed up. Int of whoops. Actually, I guess we want this, but we want the int on here. So very easy to make mistakes. That's why you should test your codes. Yeah. Yeah, so now we have the map kind of put it together. That is actually, I mean, in a good situation, you would probably do it way faster than I did, which makes it more sense. Otherwise, you just, becomes data entry. But okay, so that means that we have this. What we want to do, maybe I don't want an array. Maybe I want an array instead. So then we append, and maybe you'll see why in a second. I thought that I want a map, but I actually wanted a sorted map, right? But also not even really yeah, like I don't want to, so now we reverse it so that we have the most significant first, right? So then now we still have to handle the four prefixes, but when we can do something like while num is greater than 0, or maybe another way of saying it is like for I and for x, y, and m again. So x is now the int. So then here, if num is greater than or equal to x, then let's just say we have an answer. Then here we want to subtract it, right? So we have num to x. But this isn't quite correct. It actually should be So answer.append should be num divided by x, right? Oh, that's the number, but we want y times this, y being a string. And again, I'm not handing the 4s yet, but yeah. And then here we do num mod x, right? Yeah. Oops. How did that? This auto fix thing is like messing me up. And then we return a join of ends. Again, this is not quite correct, but I just want to see it in action and how it kind of get to it. I missed the close paren, but yeah. Okay. So this is, like I said, an idea, but not quite, because we're missing the 9s and the 4s. But you can see that, you know, given our logic, at least what we're doing is consistent, right? So that's probably good. So here maybe we do something like huh? How do we want to do it? I mean, the 4 is maybe easier than the 9, because the 4 is just like how do we want to do it? But yeah, but this would be mostly right, just not actually right, which is the hard part. Man, I need to stop drinking for these videos, but it is what it is. So you get what it is. Yeah. Because I want to do something lazy, but I don't think I can, to be honest. Like, I'm trying to think about a general way of doing it, but maybe it's just you know, sorry, I kind of lost in thought here. Yeah. Oops. How do I want to do it? Maybe today I'm lazy. Maybe today I am lazy. So let's do it. Let's just do this for now. If this is equal to this, then we append. We append. What do we append when it's 4? That means that we don't append y. We append y. Well, we append y, and then we append the thing that's 2 things ahead, right? This is such a mess. I feel like the last couple of videos, man, San Francisco is too funny to me. Yeah, definitely feel like I'm not at 100% for these videos, but yeah, let's kind of see it. Is that not right? I put, oh no, I -2. Wow, I am. So we're going from left to right. Okay. So again, this is going to be wrong because we just don't handle the 9s, but we should be able to handle 4s correctly, which we don't have a test case for. So let's try it out. So we have 4, just that's very obvious example. So that's going to be hopefully right. Oh, but I was wrong. CM. Oh, did I? CM is a 9. Why did I thought it was going to be whatever? Just 1 then. Yeah, so then now we got this case correct. We want to get 9. I mean, this is actually a pretty good case for the 9, so I don't think we have to do anything else. But the thing is, so you can't do like e goes to 9 because that's not the thing, right? Is that if num mod x is equal to 4, then in this case that we know that this is going to be you know, this is going to be a 9. So then we just take, this is such a crap code. I'm not happy about it. You wouldn't be happy about it if you read about it. So I don't know. And it's still wrong. What did I do? So I have, instead of CM for a 9, I will, so I have a 5. The next one is, oh, this is not right. Whoops. This is, so how do we get a 9? This is actually this. So this if statement is wrong, and I am not. So let's go to 1 and the next one maybe. Is you go to 4 or 9 maybe. I don't know if this is right. Okay, so oh wait, this is the string. Whoops. Okay, so I got this part right, but because of this mod thing, so I'm just messaging, trying to figure out plans. So this is a 4 because we mod this in a weird way. Well, basically because this we return the remainder, but in those cases you don't actually, right? Because in this case you actually, I guess we just do here. Here you actually mod the m plus. This is so bad. I'm only doing this to kind of I'm only doing this because I'm trying to finish it. That's TLDR. But this code is very, very bad. It's just that I want to kind of get it. Oh no. Oh, huh. I didn't do it for 1. I'm just trying to get it over with. So this is a bad video. Apologies. Yeah. Why does that return index? So this is 24. So why I put, oh, because it goes all the way to the last number. Okay, fine. I thought I didn't need this protection, but clearly I was wrong for one number at least. Let's give it submit. A little bit lazy today. Just kind of, you know, but it still works. It's just linear time things. We just parse it, you know. So yeah. How did I do it last time? Oh, I did something similar. Oh, except for I was actually debating this where I just do the 4, but instead I just end up doing more if statements. Maybe I should have done it the same way. Cool. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Hopefully I'll be back into good video shape soon. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.